What is up, R&J Squad? What's up, y'all? So right now we back with another video, and today we are doing the handcuff challenge. Alright, so right now I'm about to go to my job.
What?
Babe, I gotta get my bag. I told you. This is what happened when the motherfucker don't listen. I told him that I had to go to my job to grab my bag that I left at my job, and he don't pay attention to nothing I have to say. So that's why he was confused. So we're going to my job, and then after that we're gonna put the handcuffs on. See how the day goes. No! I just hit my car, y'all. Oh, no!
I like my lunch.
No! No! Oh, thank God. Now, let me introduce y'all to my car, by the way. Look at my car, y'all. Y'all didn't get to meet her yet. But dang, I almost messed it up, y'all. Alright. Alright, y'all. So, we about to head to Walmart. So, we gonna put that things on now. Come on. Come on. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Not yet.
Yes, now.
What now?
He's such an aggravating, y'all. He's so aggravating. Dang, you got a small.
This is my
big
left arm?
You're driving with that arm.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. I'm gonna make it tighter because you're doing too much.
Stop. Just like fucking fly back. Alright, we about to start the challenge. We'll get back with you guys when we get to Walmart. Alright, y'all. So, yeah. Get out. We about to attempt to get out this thing, y'all. Aye. Ah! Wait. Oh! What's the first?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay. I need to figure out how we gonna hold the camera. Like this. We just got to Walmart. We're gonna buy some Thanksgiving stuff. I'm hungry. My head is I'm lightheaded. Lightheaded? No. But you get the handcuffs, y'all. I can't believe we're doing this challenge.
Yeah, we in here in my own private store, you know what I'm saying? I pay it monthly, not yearly. A lot of paparazzi in this hoe. Yeah, I let people shop here.
I'll fix it. Wait, are you even looking at that?
I'm getting it, I'm killing them. Oh, I'm sorry. Sure. Always posing.
Your lips ashy too. Oh my God.
Subway, man. Getting the food. Yeah, I'm ready.
You know this shit.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Y'all finna crop me out the video, ain't it? I know how y'all rock.
If you want to be in it, you can. Look, y'all, the ugly Christmas sweaters.
That shit's cute. I'll get the reindeer.
I want the
Reindeer.
unicorn, baby.
You don't need all that.
The unicorn. I still like, see that? Thank God I got the large. Who's still hungry. Yeah, I had to switch to the phone because the camera died. You know how that be.
Where's Wade? I'm trying to catch Wade on the camera. Getting busy, but yeah, this is basically a vlog / the challenge. What we do, where we going.
No, we still got the handcuffs on, y'all.
At Walmart. Yeah, so yeah, we at Walmart getting stuff for.
That is like we crazy.
Getting
Stuff for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, Thanksgiving.
I'm going to be posting a Thanksgiving vlog. There go, oh, I was gonna say to go wait. I'm gonna be posting a Thanksgiving. I'm gonna be posting a Thanksgiving vlog, and you guys get to meet my family.
Yeah, it's gonna be big, real big. We might go to Casey's house for Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying?
Might.
The old cuzzo. We usually do two Thanksgivings.
Yeah.
Not bragging about it.
Not bad. Ooh. Yeah, we usually go 2 places for Thanksgiving because we are fat asses. It's normally Jordan's idea, not mine. Oh,
Everything my idea. Everything.
Boy.
Yeah, so first stop here. Go to her mama house. Go to her mama house. Go to my mama house. And go set up the stuff for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Fat ass over here.
Where are we going?
The carpet cleaner's over here.
Oh.
My arm hurts.
Look at me.
You need to hold it.
My arm is too short. This is not carpet cleaner, this is car cleaner.
Oh, it's carpet cleaner. Alright, y'all.
I'm starving. We wanted to record everything for you guys, but technical difficulties with this thing right here. It's opening my water. It's not coming out. Oh, yes. Look at how he's such a hater. After this, we're going to the Spanish store, and then we're going. Are we going home, honey? Oh. Yeah. May I leave you off right here?
Trying.
How y'all finna do this?
I was supposed to throw this away. Oh. Okay.
Hello. We all excited. What the fuck? What in the hell y'all doing? Yeah. Oh, that's some shit, Patch. God damn.
We did it though. We did it.
This sticker goes all in my face.
We did it though. Gang, 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 gang. Now, if you could get in the car, get out of here. We gotta go to the Spanish store by my mama's house. Look at him, being fat ass, just fat.
Hey, me and my dog Wade been working out, man. Just getting big. Just getting big every day. Look at that. See that? Hey, show him your bicep, Wade.
I don't know if they ready for all that. Is the camera big enough?
Oh,
come on, man. We ain't playing around here.
Yeah.
No damn game.
Yo, did I tell you, Wade? They asked for you, and I'm like, how the heck do they know Wade?
What?
Cause we don't really, I don't know.
No, go ahead. What? Damn.
Cause you're not in the video.
I'm gonna get my nails done, honey. You see this? They should not look like that.
You'll be alright.
Y'all hear him? Y'all hear how he treat me? I can't even get my nails done. Nah, just kidding. I haven't been in the mood to get them done either. But they've been growing a lot. Been growing a little bit. A little piece, y'all. But we're heading to the Spanish store.
You ready to go hoop? I'm gonna be
We'll get back when we get there.
Every other night another movie get made. I got boogers in the face. I've been dancing in the dollar. This is a parade. Trip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' go around the town. Off this way.
So we got the rice and the thing my mom was asking for. We're still in the handcuffs, y'all. Still on them. For now.
I'm done.
You're done? You say he's done. You don't want to do this one again. Not this channel again. Ay.
Know that shit.
Oh, God. God, this lady, no. We got the same hair, Poo-Poo. Yeah, but mine's finer.